Good morning, students. Welcome again to e-commerce video lecture. So, in earlier videos, introduction, definition, next video, EDI process, standards, third video, features, advantage, disadvantage, limitations, and in this video, we are going to understand the types of EDI types. Okay, so look at the types of EDI. One is direct EDI, EDI through WAN, EDI through AS2, and web EDI, mobile EDI. This is an important question. You have to answer in examination. These types of EDI. How many types are there? So 5 types are there. What are they? Direct EDI, EDI through WAN, EDI through AS2, web EDI. Another one is a mobile EDI. First, we'll understand this is the diagrammatic representation of types of EDIs. Direct EDI. Direct EDI is exchanging, enabling business to exchange EDI documents, secure point-to-point connection to the internet. So here, one computer or one trader is connected with the other trader direct. You can call it as a hotline. Okay. Direct EDI is sometimes called point-to-point EDI. If it is point-to-point, then it is called as a direct EDI. Used by companies from many years onwards. It is an alternative to value-added network. So direct EDI is an alternative to value-added network. It established single secure line between two trading partners. I already told you. Right? There is not line in the sense no other connection or exchange in between. Nothing is there. One will be connected with the other. Usually the prime ministers of different countries are having hotline. So in this direct EDI also, a single secure line between the two trading partners, and an organization must communicate with each trading partner individually, which can mean managing hundreds or thousands of separate. So if it is direct EDI, then one organization, you can look at in our diagram which was given. This is our business. We are connected with through one partner with AS2, VPN. Another one is SFTP, FTPS, and AS2. These are the different protocols which we are connected, but our connection with the partner one is through direct connection, no mediators between. So you choose direct connection model, need to purchase a separate software or software package that enables you to install the agreed upon protocol. Okay, when we want to install the software, direct EDI mode is required, and we want to buy a separate software which consists of all these protocols. This model can be very complex because wide variety of communication protocols must be used and supported. Okay. So one may be using AS2 communication, another one is using STP, FTP protocol. So for each one, we have separate configuration is required. That's why it is a little bit costly one. Variety of communication protocols. That is direct EDI. Second one is EDI WAN, value added. Majority of EDI occurs through WAN only, value added network. Growth of flexible low cost approaches such as web EDI, EDI web, AS2, has begun to change the situation. WAN is still preferred option due to the value-added services and the WAN providers can deliver. Okay, so even web EDI via AS2 are costly. Most of the people are using the protocol, communication protocol, VDI, EDI through WAN. WAN is simply a secure private network. Simple, secure private network, which helps to transfer the EDI document or receive the EDI documents through trading partners. An organization will be provided with a mailbox. Documents are sent and received from there are an organization checks the mailbox periodically to retrieve its documents. That's all. Like our email, how we are getting the email in same manner, EDI documents are shared between two business partners. So whatever the mail we receive, that is appeared in our inbox. We check the mailbox and automatically we can give a reply to that mail. In same manner, EDI documents are stored are available in mailbox. And most WAN protocols, most providers offer an alerting service that informs the sender when the message have been sent, like our WhatsApp. Okay, even Facebook, there will be anybody send a message to us or any notification, immediately we will get in mail or on screen. If it is mobile, screen we will get a notification. So in same manner, this WAN network, they will configure the alerting message. Inspection and authentication of all EDI messages. And scan the messages and we were given authentication to get messages through this WAN. Full audit trail, all EDI messages are tracked and recorded. This is possible to recover the previous messages. And providers offer an exclusive range of services in data backup and recovery. So the advantage of WAN is you can get a data back as well as a data backup also. Recovery as well as a backup also. And EDI, including a pool of EDI, where WAN is based upon the value-added services that WAN provider delivers. Number one, community and trading partner enablement. So, community in the sense the people, those who are in with that. And the trading partner means the other side, enablement, back office integration, management are the features of EDI through WAN. Another one is the EDI via AS2. AS2 is one type of protocol. AS2 is one of the popular method of transmitting data, especially EDI data, securely and reliably over the internet. So presently, there is a problem with the data saved. If we save the data in our website or in our drive, then the people are trying to steal our data through different technology methods. They are doing that. So in this case, data is very important. So this AS2 will provide secure and reliable data, reliable over the internet. It essentially involves two computers, a client and a server, connecting in a point-to-point manner. So the wire is LAN wire is not required. Through internet only they will connect to the two computers, client computer as well. Ways to create an envelope for the EDI data, allowing to be sent securely. Envelope, how envelope will be there? And postcard is a open secret. And envelope is closed secret. Once the letter envelope cost is 1 rupee and postcard is 50 paise or somewhere else. Okay, to 5 rupees and 50 paise. So, what the advantage of envelope is, whatever the information we wrote, nobody will see. So, security is there. It is called as a nobody secrecy is there. So this AS2 will provide such secrecy to the traders. Walmart has become famous for EDI via A2 and has helped drive its adoption within the retail sector. Walmart is adopting the EDA through this AS2 method. EDA via AS2 requires the receiving organization server to be always listening out for messages addressed to it. So it should be in active mode to receive the messages which are sent by its traders. So which is in listening out means every time it is in alert. Like a call to a phone with no answering machine, the message will be missed if your server is not available to take the call. Okay. So sometimes we call to foreign countries, okay, na, then you will get a ring 4 or 5 times. Later, automatically a voice is informing us certain X is not available. Please record your voice, whatever the information you want to tell. Then we drop the message. Please call back. Please call back. In the same manner, PDA is also like that. If it is unable to reach that one, in between there is a one message box is there. Message box or information will be right. We can comply with AS2 mandates without incurring the expense of AS2 software or hardware, firewalls and expertise would otherwise need to not to implement AS2 and develop a firewalls safety for our data as well as communication. It's not constructing those, it is called as a firewalls. The provider handles the exchange of ways to set up information. So if we would like to send our data, EDA is exchange of data through AS2, then the provider handles the exchange of ways to set up. So then EDA provider has to set up the AS2 and provider completes AS2 testing for you and your partners. Then automatically the provider will test the AS2 with our computer and with our trade partners computer and try to map the computer to send and receive the communication. Documents are exchanged in real time. So the beauty of the communication is receiving and sending the documents within very short time. And you can the benefit of the providers shared infrastructure skills and security. Okay, so through this we can get infrastructure, quality infrastructure skills as well as security from the other provider also. Provider. Another one is web EDI. EDI. Web EDI is conducting EDI internet browser. There is no separate protocol. This is connected through internet browser. It replicates paper-based documents as a web form. So here, instead of the papers, and the web form will be used to communicate. The form will contain fields users can enter information. So already we studied in standards. Okay, in those standards are some forms which are given to the user for entering the information. Once all the relevant information is added, it is automatically converted into EDI message and sent via secure internet protocol such as FTPS or HTTPS or AS2. Okay. So once I created a document, created a document. Then EDA message will be sent through any of the protocols, FTTPS, FTPS, HTTPS, or AST. The web EDA enables small and medium sized businesses to create, receive, turn around, and manage electronic documents using a that is web EDA. Web EDA enables small and medium sized businesses to create web EDA form or receive EDA form, turn around and manage electronic or EDA documents in the browsers. And the simple pre-populated forms enable businesses to communicate and comply with other trading partners. If the communication is simplified, if the forms are also simple, then communication between the two partners is easy. So it is very easy to build communication between two trading partners. And web ADI is traditionally based around the hub and spoke model, in which the major trading partner acts as a hub, smaller partner as a spokes in this model. Okay, so we are having a cloud computing is there, where all our data will be stored. That is a hub where we are connecting, and many people are connecting to that hub to receive and save the information or share the information. And the web forms may be posted on the hub's site or that of an EDA network service. The hub forms, hub means central server support. So whatever the form which is required to me, you can in, and download and use that. Okay. So trading partners connect with the web forms via web browser in the document. So in this communication, overall web EDI is nothing but communicating through web browsers. That's the students. And the last one is mobile EDI. Presently, everybody is having mobiles, and we will understand what is a mobile EDI. EDI applications are not designed with the mobile user in mind. Okay, so those are designed for the web based. There have been questions about whether the user would want to use mobile device for completing purchase order or invoice while out of the office. If the client is in his office, he can use his system and generate EDI documents and share with the other trader. But if he is out of the office, he is carrying the smartphone, then how the EDI documents will be explained. Focus on supply chain efficiencies, and it is easier to see benefits of salespersons being able to see the status of a delivery to supplier when on the road, or business manager being able to review supplier performance while renegotiation meetings. Focus on supply chain efficiency. Okay, every time suppliers are very important people to us. Unless without their support, it is not possible to manufacture the goods. So we can control or monitor those suppliers through this mobile EDI. And also, if it is required, we can call them, negotiate them, ask them to send the material subject to possible through this mobile EDI. It is not an overstatement to say that these devices are changing the way users interact with their organizations, and some companies are starting to launch applications to help mobilize their supply chain. Okay. So which product is more useful, and if the softwares are integrated with such product, automatically the business or the services will grow. Okay. Earlier we used to visit the bank for knowing the balance, but presently with a missed call we will get a balance. and we log in to mobile apps are available. You log into that particular product and you will get a balance. And all the banks have their own mobile applications. Simply download from iOS or Google Play Store and install that. Integrate with your bank account, connect with your bank account, and you can do banking transactions even from home itself. Okay. So there are applications are launching to connect through the mobiles, and it has now become accepted that there are corporate apps. It is only a matter of time before you can download supply chain or EDA related form to a private corporate apps. Okay. So you started a company. The company want to offering some services or the product orders to automatically develop an application and keep in App Store. People those wish to access, and they will download that and they will integrate or connect with your server. The retail sector has been adoption of direct exchange to help the flow of products and information through the supply chain. Okay. So supply chain is maximum reduced. Manufacturer, agent, wholesaler, retailer, consumer, in between two or three people are there. But now the many chain links were removed. Directly customer and manufacturer with the help of these applications only. Using the direct exchange, delivery personnel can scan the barcode of an item into mobile device to create an electronic invoice. Exactly. Yeah. And so I would like to tell about a software, accounting software. That is Zero. XCRO is the software. In from Australia is using that software. Once the invoice is generated, that invoice is scanned or is scanned. So automatically journal entry will be passed. The journal entry is passed, then automatically ledger posting, trial balance, panel account, and some other accounting ratios. Okay. So here with the scanning the documents and the data will be transmitted or data will be stored or data will be updated. Data is reconciled, the digital invoice is closed and finalized. Copy is transmitted back to the suppliers via his mobile device. Okay. So once invoice is generated, with that if it is possible, integrate the accounts with the EDI, then automatically journal entry prepared by the EDI. And once the journal entry is prepared, then automatically is sales account, sales ledger, purchase ledger. It is only one click away to take a balance sheet with the help of Tally. That is mobile EDI. And one US retailer has been able to reduce the duration of each store delivery by 10 and 45 minutes using direct exchange. Direct exchange. Students, this is EDI types. Can I look at right, students? Last videos, definition history, documents and users. We understood in first video. Second video, EDI process, elaborately explained and components of EDI software, EDI. These are the benefits, limitations. It is important question. Again, you go to the third video. Types of EDI, just now I explained. EDI software for implementation. will be seen in next video. And next EDA applications. So in where the EDA is using, that is also important. Sometimes some people may use the EDA, some may or may not use the EDA itself. So in what are the applications EDA is useful? Legal security and privacy issues of EDA, electronic document interchange, electronic document interchange. Okay, students. Next, legal and security, privacy issues. Last one is EDA and e-commerce. The e-commerce EDA is one. This is our video. These are overall learning outcomes. The present video, we learn types of EDAs. Those are 5 types of EDA. At the EDA stands for, okay. The EDA document process. The other way of EDA. First, it was introduced in transportation data. Later, it reached to many areas. VDA, milestones of VDA procedure are not was started in 1970. So overall 50 years back, the VDA presently most of the VDA documents, purchase orders, financial information, transaction bills, shipping request and notifications, acknowledgement, feedback, transcripts, marks memos. Okay, see in the example. Second example, this is marks memos, claims, business correspondence, letters. PDA documents are over. Users. PDA users. Industry is using banking, retailing, manufacturing, insurance, healthcare, automotive or automobile, electronics, grocery, transportation. Not only one, many are using PDI. Okay. So, industries, healthcare industry, automotive industry, financial services, high-tech industries, retail industry, wherever it is there, EDA is a EDA is there. Students. So once again, this EDA history. EDA process. Look at the document sending company and receiving company. Document sent and document received. In between, EDA software converts the document into EDA format, where it can be easily transferred. EDA standards are directly means its own industry and generic types are there. So why standards are needed, we clearly discussed. Okay, na? Who will write the standards? These are the bodies. Which are, these bodies will give the EDI standard, EDI codes. Students, here is software, application software. Look at it. Application software, interface software, translation software, and the communication software. These are the softwares which are used at present in the industry for different usages. By students, meet you next video.